In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store connection error code 0x80072f7d. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, reset your Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for wsreset.exe, click on OK button. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution. First is I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. Then please navigate to the search bar, type for PowerShell. Then you will see a best match, navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So please copy the first command, Control C, make a right click to paste it here. Wait until it would be done, and once you are done, try to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then move on to the next solution. Here at the search bar, type for CMD, and then once a best match has been seen, which is the command prompt system, run it as an administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So to the second set of command, please copy and paste it here. The first will help you to stop the services which are the Windows Update, cryptographic, background intelligent transfer, as well as the msiserver. Proceed to the next one. Copy, paste here, one by one. Then start the service that you have copied earlier. So complete the procedure, and once you are done, restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.